Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in mobile marketing we will discuss about the short code and the long code associated with mobile marketing. What is short code, what is long code, and what are the various benefits of the short code and the long code that the companies extensively used in interacting, engaging with their customers and subscribers. What is a short code? A short SMS code is a 5 to 6 digit number used by businesses to offer discounts and coupons. If a particular company is interested in offering discounts and coupons to their subscribers, what they do is they use this number of about 5 to 6 digits in actually requesting people to send them an SMS along to this particular number so that they can offer the discounts and the offers to them. Once opted in, the users receive a message from business on the various products or promotional services. Once you opt into this particular business, they keep on sending you the SMSs related to their businesses, related to their products, services, solutions, or the various discounts and promotional offerings that they have. And this is how actually it looks like. You might have seen on a lot of billboards or the websites the kind of message that is displayed here. Text burger to 83733 to get a discount coupon, and this is precisely how the short code works, and this is actually the number. It is up to 5 to 6 digits, and this, if you actually text to a particular company, they receive their message and they offer you the discounts related to any product, any service that you can actually receive from that particular company. And this is basically what is called as A2P communication, that is an application to person. An application is actually sending you the messages to a particular person to get discounts. As soon as you opt into this particular service, you actually receive messages from them regularly in terms of the discounts or the promotional offerings that the company may offer to their subscribers. Now, what is actually a long code? Long code is a bit different from the short code. Long code in SMS is also called as virtual mobile number. It is a unique 10-digit number. Unlike the short code, which has about 5 to 6 digits, the long code may have up to 10 digits. This is called as a P2P communication, that is person to person communication, whereas a short code was an application to person communication. This is a P2P communication, a person to person communication used by businesses to receive messages and respond to the queries. This happens in multiple ways. The companies receive a message from the end user and they respond to that message immediately. Our two-way communication is what long code offers. Used extensively by large companies, institutions and healthcare organizations to send across messages based on the query raised by the end user or the subscriber. It looks something like this. Let's say if you want to generate a lead on a particular company or brand name, what the user will do is they will send an SMS with the brand name and to that particular number, that is the long code. They receive information based on the information that particular subscriber may have requested from the company. Let us say, for example, if you want to actually get results for a particular examination, what you do usually is you will say type result space and the roll number that associated with your examination, and you send that message. The company or the institution, the college, the university will send you your result based on the roll number that you have put in the SMS. Then you have collecting feedback. You can collect feedback based on the information that the customer has requested. You can actually segmentation in terms of the database, the city to that particular number, and these are the various types of messages that people can ask for question. The companies will respond to it. A two-way communication, which is basically a P2P communication, and this works through a long code. One major difference between a short code and the long code is that a short code may actually be used by multiple companies, whereas a long code is unique to a particular company. Only that company can use that long code. That is precisely the major difference between a short code and a long code. What are the various benefits of this short code and long code? Built an opt-in database. When you are actually getting information or providing information to the end user, you are actually generating a database of the mobile numbers of your consumers, of your subscribers. And when you have such a huge database, that database can be extensively used in sending promotional offerings. More consumer interaction. You can interact, engage and communicate with your end users regularly, continuously and consistently. Add value to the consumers. Because you are interacting with the consumers, because you are offering discounts and promotional offers, there is more value that you are adding to the consumers. Engagement for cross selling. When you have the database, you have been subscribed to the consumer has subscribed to your particular service, you can add more products to it so that you can do the cross selling. Upsell loyalty programs. I subscribe to a particular company to receive information from them. What they do is they send me the promotional offers and I keep buying services or the solutions or the products from that particular company. And when I become a loyal customer to that particular company, they actually provide me the loyalty programs which benefit the end user, which also benefit the companies. Increased conversions and long-term benefits. When you are engaged with the particular company, you are actually buying particular product from a particular company, your loyalty programs are you are getting discounts and you are actually building a long-term relationship with your consumers, and these consumers will actually get you more and more business and long-term benefits that are associated in using the short codes and the long codes in mobile marketing. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is a short code, a long code and the immense benefits both the short code and the long code offers for the companies as well as for the subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.